Today I want to show you how to install the S Edition CD image into Ubuntu with that as a virtual machine with Oracle VIM VirtualBox. So just click on device, click on insert guest edition CD image. There will be a pop-up where you then press run, enter your password, authenticate, and let it do its thing. It will flash a few times as it after all is installed in the graphics driver. There you go. And now it's done. It's recommended to now restart your system by going to the top right corner, press that button, press this button, and then press restart. Give it a few moments to restart. And now you will see the biggest reason I personally go ahead and install a guest edition CD image when applicable in any of my virtual machines, and that is because this window I am now able to resize the window of the virtual machine, and the resolution, as you can see, changes accordingly. I can stretch this about, boom, boom. I can make it shorter, and then shorter some more. So yeah, that is how to install your ignore this, sorry. And that's how you install the guest edition CD image. It's recommended at this point to go onto your desktop and right click on this and just press eject. So thank you for watching.